The first step is to remove the pad from the blue tinted plastic liner. When removing the pad from the liner, make sure you grab it by the pad and not by the cable. Check the back of the pad for tackiness. Apply 4 drops of a saline solution to the bottom of the pad and spread around using your finger. Make sure you cover the entire surface of the pad. Now, let the pads dry for 60 seconds. Once the pads are dry, you can choose to either put the pads on your skin for a treatment or firmly place the pads back onto the blue tinted plastic liner and store for a later use. Be sure to push out any air bubbles that you see between the blue tinted plastic liner and the pad.